Hello everyone, my name is Arya Veera and I am delighted to present my first data analytics project as data analyst intern at Mary Skills organization. As a part of my internship, I was interested in exploring the data in the form of CSV file and extracting meaningful insights and information so that I can help various companies in making data-driven decisions. Title of my project is Sales Data Analysis. Purpose of my project is to identify trends, top selling products and revenue metrics for business decision making. Let me now walk you through my sales analysis dashboard which I have developed using Microsoft Power BI. Before starting the analysis, I have performed various analytical techniques such as data cleaning and data transformation to remove unambiguous data and to maintain consistency in the data. As you all can see on the screen, this is my data analytics dashboard that I have created using Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI give us the various builder visual tools or the component as you all can see on the screen that are available on the right hand side. I have used few of this component in my project. Let me explain you each of these in detail. Starting with slicer, I have used four slicer, that is month slicer, city slicer, product slicer and day slicer. Month slicer give us the drop down list of the different months in a year. City slicer give us the idea about the different cities that are available in this project. Product slicer give us the idea about the various categories of products that are available from the data set. And last but not the least, day slicer give us the idea about the different days in a week. Starting with first component, that is map builder visual tool or the map component. This component is very much important because if a electronic product shop owner wants to identify his or her sales in a particular city, then they can use this component. I have used two data analytics approaches or data analytics techniques here. First is drill down approach and second is roll up approach. Drill down approach is nothing but getting the data from generic to specific, and roll up approach is totally opposite of drill down approach, where we can find the specific data to generic data. We can use this button or icon to find the generic data to specific data, that is drill down approach. Now let me click this button and explain you the analysis. As you all can see, when I have clicked this button, I have found the analysis of a particular city and its sales. Similarly, I can use this drill up approach or drill up button to identify the data from specific to generic. Secondly, I have used the donut chart or donut chart builder visual tool, which gives us the idea about a particular city and its sales. Suppose an electronic product shop owner wants to identify his or her sales in a particular day, they can use this donut chart. Let me take an example of a day as Thursday. Then you can see that sales is 14.3%. Similarly, the electronic product owner can identify their sales in a particular day using this chart. Next, I have used this stacked area chart. This gives us the idea about the order date and its sales. This starts from January 2019 to January 2020, that is one financial year. If a electronic product owner wants to identify his or her sales of the electronic products in the one financial year or quarterly or by date, then they can use this component. Next, I have used this area chart. This area chart is different from stacked area chart, as this gives us the idea about the city and their maximum sale, as you all can see on the screen. Last but not the least, I have used this clustered bar chart which gives us the idea about the maximum selling product, which was my purpose of making this data analysis dashboard. Now let me explain you with this an example. If I select product, if I select product as iPhone, and if I select month as April for an example, then I can see that 485.10K is my profit. I have sold approximately 1000 products of iPhone in particular month, and these are the various cities where I have sold the iPhone. This is the New York City sales with 700 iPhone sale. Similarly, I can use this donut chart to identify iPhone sale in a particular day. If I select Tuesday, then I have sold approximately then I have sold approximately 12.7% of sale in this day. I can use the city by sale area chart to identify sale of a different city. Now, if I select all as my products, all products, then I can see that my profit is 3.39 million and I have sold approximately 21,000 of products in different cities in the United States. Now considering stacked area chart, as you can see that this is my order by sales area chart or order by sales component, which give us the idea about the different orders in a particular day. This is very much important when we are running a business because this gives us the idea about how we can increase the sales according to the customers that we are catering. Dashboard is very user friendly and give us the idea of the particular sales, not only about the electronic market but also about the different markets. We only just have to add the data set on which we want to find the analysis. So this dashboard is very much important and can help businesses and individuals make better decisions. Thank you.